Hi, this is John Kursky, Microsoft Practice Director at Definitive Logic, and we're here today with Ryan Powell, one of our Power BI custom developers, to introduce a new custom visual we have on Microsoft App Source. Ryan, welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me.
So tell us a little bit about the custom visual.
Well, our visual is called the clustered column chart with custom labels, and one of our clients wanted a clustered column chart, but they wanted more flexibility with the labels. Instead of showing just the value of the column, they wanted maybe the percentage difference from one of the other columns. And the current out-of-the-box Power BI visual did not provide this, so we went ahead and created a custom visual and then uploaded it to the Microsoft App Source to share it with the Power BI community for free.
So what separates this custom visual with the out-of-the-box clustered column chart?
Well, let me go ahead and show you.
Awesome.
Let me get Power BI up here. This easiest way to get this visual is by using the More Options ellipses here and then importing from the marketplace. And then in the search bar, you can search for Definitive, and this will pull up all of our apps, and we're looking for the clustered column chart. So you can select Add this to add it into your report. I already have it in, so I'm going to go ahead and click the X. And then this should pull up the icon into this second area down here where you can then select it to add it into your report. To add data to this visual, it's just like the regular clustered column chart. I'm using historical data for New York precipitation here, and I'm going to use the month-year value for my category. And then I'm going to add two columns, the rainfall and the snowfall. And then what really separates this visual from the out-of-the-box visual is this advanced edit pane. You can access this edit pane by selecting the More Options menu. It's either down at the bottom right or in the top right, and then choosing the Edit button. This will pull up this advanced edit pane, where over here on the left you can choose which measure you want to edit, and then over on the right you can choose which values to edit for you. So if I wanted to add a label to the actual snowfall column, I could then go over here and add the snowfall label and would then label the values. If I wanted to label something other than the values, I can add that field, maybe the percentage of the precipitation that is snow, into the column labels field here, and we'll add it to this list, and I can then label these columns with their percentage value. The other thing you can do in this edit pane is add image overlays to each column. You can choose the Upload button in the center, and then choose an image from your computer to add it into your report. You can then change the opacity with the slider or the fit here. These two options combined really give you the ability to represent what's important to your data and personalize it to fit your customers' needs.
So that's really cool, Ryan. And so if folks who download that custom visual and want to reach out to us or have questions or requests or want a new feature with it, how do they get a hold of us?
Well, the best way would be to go over to the icon of the visual and right-click it and select the About. This will pull up a menu with our support link here. If you open this link, then it will give you this form. You can fill it out and send us an email, and we'll be able to address your concerns or requests.
Oh, that's wonderful. So Ryan, really appreciate you taking the time today to show this custom visual, and we hope everyone who has a need for this with a custom column chart can find that to be productive for them on Microsoft App Source. Again, Ryan, thanks again, and talk to you later.
Yep, thank you.